So you come home from work, but before you have time to settle down, Furball, your cat, greets you with a loud meow. Okay, Furball wants food. It's obvious. But what about Benny, your beloved ficus? He also needs attention before it's too late. But plants can't talk. Well, until now, thanks to Kubachi. Kubachi is the interactive plant care assistant that gives your plant a voice. With Kubachi, your plants tell you exactly what they need when they need it. How? It's simple. Just go to my.kubachi.com or download the app from the App Store. Add your plant from the large plant library. Calibrate your plant once, and you're done. Kubachi is very smart and considers the species, climate zone, and even the current season. And we'll send you a notification whenever you need to mist, water, or fertilize your plant. But there's more. With a revolutionary Kubachi Wi-Fi plant sensor, you'll be able to monitor the vitality of your plants in real time. The Wi-Fi plant sensor transmits highly accurate data for soil moisture, light intensity, and temperature that helps the Kubachi system calculate with even more precision the best way to keep your plants healthy, blossoming, and happy. So forget about brown-leaved, unhappy plants, and always know exactly what your plants need. With Kubachi, give your plant a voice.